Oh, cool. All right. Okay. Let's have a look at some charts. So today we're going to get a few notes. Gonna go over a few things, and but first things first. Actually, old tradition. Have a look at this thing, or I'll hear it is more the thing. So got a few bullet points today. Talk about some things, and there's some chart on the screen. I was doing some thinking earlier today, but yeah. First thing, recently this week I've been contemplating, like, I trade in multi-time frame, right? So I would use one time or some time frame to find a kind of a bias, and I would use another to find an entry, sort of like a refinement or sort of like a filter, right? But the idea of one chart only is I don't know, for whatever reason it's interesting. But yeah, for my note today, for the one chart only, what I want to point out or want to highlight is that well, we could just use like blocks, but to make it really a lot better is we need a sweep, and so we need first a sweep of level, and then we need confirm after. And let's try to find some examples of that. Let's just see. It kind of, I think this works, right? So I don't know what this is. What's going on here? Not gonna watch the silly crypto because that's silly. We don't do that. Okay, we got some. Oh, we're gonna actually. I think that yeah. Let's go. What's going on? Okay, never mind. I think this, and let's go to all, and let's go to should be clean, right? Fairly clean, right? Daily chart. So the idea is like this. We go up, we go to some level, we go higher, we come back down for whatever reason, we find something, and we go even further up. Basics, right? Yeah. Okay. Nothing strange about this. Okay. Like, for example, if this is the interesting area, right? If this is interesting, we created a high from here and some kind of formation here, and then we aim to go even further, right? Basics. But what I was thinking, like, we need a sweep as well, right? And here we don't have a sweep. If we had a sweep, price would have to go here and then down, then up, outlining this level here, but we don't have that. So let's find an example of that so I can show you what I mean. We have a nice switch here, same long dot level, not example. We also have an example here with a switch. Yeah, with the lick, that's not what I want to show. Let's see. Oh, here's something. That's not enough. Okay. Here's some level. Okay. Yeah. Oh, here we go. This is good enough. So this within this area is some example of what I was thinking about, right? So if we are using one chart, right? Right. So price is going down. Okay. We have the latest level here. Let's zoom in to show this. Let's go big. So we're going down. We have this level here. We come down to this level. price comes up, we are going, this is higher than this. So here we have the switch in power. So power is now up. We have a small gap here. That's good, great. And we have also this level breaking through, but couldn't sustain downward movement. And later we had a move up. That's exactly my point. If we're using one single chart to go somewhere, we need a sweep. So we have sweep, we have this, and we have the change here. Would be good to get these in the other order, but yeah, this is what we have here at this point this time. So entry would probably be maybe this sweep could be the entry after the bar is closed, because, well, we confirmed the level with the sweep. Or entry could be this green bar here, because black bar down, green bar up. There's a gap here that is closed beyond by the green bar, and I think it's, some people call it reverse FVG. I just look, see the power going down, and there's a power vacuum here, and which is defeated by the green bar. So power is again up. That's good enough to go. So it could be like this, right? And stop would be kind of here. And then so target is like not next level, but probably here. And that's not part of this discussion, but I mentioned many times before, next wave hasn't been proven, and that's why we have to go one more wave back. I've been explaining. Oh, not now. I have been explaining it in the BST instructional videos. Right. So that's an example of that. Another idea I've had during the weekend is right. If we let's go to GBPJ here, and let's go to here, H1 here, and let's go here. Here we go. Okay, I got the outlines. Actually, we don't need those for this example. Okay, I'll lock this thing. So yeah, yes, the idea I have is we're looking for a signal to continue, right? And if we don't get the signal, the idea I have is, well, not getting that signal at that proper place means we go in the other direction. What do I mean? I think I was here. Yes, we were here when I was thinking about it. Here. So basically, the idea was at this point here, I was expecting to get a short signal, because in my opinion, this was a good level to go short from the box for some reason, right? And because we got the up bar, let's go like this. We got the bar going up, and we got the black bar. This is a breaking formation. We got another more power up, some stalling action, some formation here. It's not confirming enough because we don't have a wave with these together, right? But it's so this is a signal chart example, right? Because we don't get the formation here, and because this bar closes beyond everything, the power is now up, and meaning my point is then that, well, if we don't get the signal down at the level that I was searching for, we instead automatically have the opposite signal. So something like this would be the idea. That's the idea in my head, right? And you know, to me it makes sense because, well, either we get the power signal here to go down and we continue down, and that's good. That's what we're looking for, right? And yeah, this changes later, but never mind that. That doesn't matter for this example. And yeah, if we don't go down from here, I mean, if we don't go down, we go up, right? That's pretty much it. That's nothing else more to it, right? So yeah, again, I was searching for a signal in this area, and because we don't get it, then it means that when the level is defeated, we automatically get something else. Yeah, you're right. Remove this, and let's see what else. Oh yes, so this yesterday morning London Open, we got some big gaps overnight, and I was looking for I was using H1 chart for bias, and across the forex majors we did have quite a few gaps at the open. And I mean, of course, I noticed the gaps from Asia, right? But I mean, I'm looking at the charts at London Open, but yeah, the gaps were quite visible, and because of this, the bias was a bit difficult to use. And yeah, I put automatically the thought in my head that, well, okay, we got some big gaps across the board, and it means that, well, price has to settle. And again, I reiterated in my mind, because of this, something that has happened many Mondays in a row now, and it is on Monday at London Open, the market is not really open because many of the big players are not there, I claim. And it is because the London Open, we have Asia, right? We have London, right? Good, we got some volume, but we don't have the US. And that means we have a lot less power, and that also means, or I have seen many times, that we have a market that is quite a bit slow, and price is reacting a bit strange. And that's my entire point with this, that well, it's not really open. So I elected to choose to wait until US Open, and I didn't find any trades until then, and I went to do something else. And yeah, I did find some other interesting trades later on when reviewing the charts at night, but yeah, that's pretty much that. So yeah, let's have a look at whatever happened. What was the notification actually? What was the thing? This? Something gold something. Okay. Oh yes, we're breaking up. Oh, interesting. So here, this is an hourly chart, and I think that from this level we change the power to down, and yeah, so I want the reaction in this level, and yeah, we go down. This outline thing is because it's outlined because M15 and session, because London is peaking up above Tokyo. That's why. And yeah, I wanted to see that because I was thinking we got down here, we got back up again, and well, we closed this entire range, we closed pretty much down, so we are trying to go down, we can't, and if we go back up again, we leave some gaps here. Pretty much the power is probably up, and I'm interested in finding a reason to go long of this. Currently not really useful, but I mean, so long of this here could be interesting, but yeah, currently not useful. Also, for our we went down and we had this reaction here, we reacted, and I checked within this, we also had, yeah, that's something else. Anyway, yeah, that's my ramblings for today. And yeah, if you have any questions about the trades or the ideas, post your questions. If you actually like this, then like the video. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the markets.